You're not going
You
to
don't want me.
Kind of like
You attack.
yun, pinalangoy ko na yan dito sa sauce. And yan. Ang gagawin ko is gawin siyang barbecue adobo.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning po sa inyo guys. And time check, it is 10 o'clock. Alis tayo. Punta ako. I try to be there 11 para dalhin ko si BIYENAN dito. Kainin natin to. Okay ba ba to? And para hindi tayo magutom doon, diba? Tomorrow is my last day to watch BIYENAN. Kasi, hold on. Kasi yung kinuha nilang magbantay is free na siya. Okay pa to. So, tomorrow is last day. After that, plano kong pumunta na talaga sa city para yung passport ko talaga ma-renew na. It's been gonna be 4 years almost na hindi na-renew. So, I hopefully okay siya na hindi siya okay i-renew yung ganon katagal na na-expire na. Hopefully okay siya. And then, after that, next week, sana makapunta kami sa bahay ni BIYENAN. Ay, punta ako doon. Dalhin ko yung aso. Stay there. And magpapak ng mga gamit. Linisin. I mean, hindi linisin. Itapon yung iba. Ganun. So, yun yung yung gawin namin kasi para hindi magalit yung kapatid ni Tami. Kasi hindi pa si Tami nakaalis. Let's go. I'll be right back. Be a good girl, huh? Be a good girl to be together. Let's go. Oh my God. Kita-kits na lang tayo mamaya. Itong vlog ko guys, palagi na lang akong nasa sasakyan. Nasa andito. Ay, masakit yung ko, mata. Okay, open the door. Open. In the garage. Text Tami. Okay guys, I am leaving and I just need to open the thing. Time check, it is 10:20. Well, 10:30 na. And nandito na yung wallet natin. And anyway guys, see you na lang later. Okay yung gas. Kung malapit pa sa full, so magka-full tayo. Late na kaming nakaalis kasi itong therapy nila ang tagal. Wala pa dito, alis na lang kami. Ala, andito na. Hindi ko madala si BIYENAN sa bahay. I'm not bringing her to the house. You're not going with me. You're not going with me.
You don't want me.
We'll do it tomorrow. It's nice to do baby talk sometimes, no? I'll do baby talk, meme. The mailman is here.
Should have done that while he was here.
Okay guys, I told her guys that I wish my hand is flexible, like it can stretch everywhere, it can go everywhere. So I told her I can fart here and then I can just grab my hand and somebody. Okay guys, continue tayo. So kasi pumasok yung anak niya so you grab your hand over here to catch your fart. And then you send your hand to the bathroom. you send your hand over there, right ma'am?
That's right.
I wish I have a stretchable hand. Can stretch over there. If mom want to be itch, I can just sit here and then I itch her back like this. If mommies want to eat lunch, I can just go to the kitchen with my hand. I'm talking to her over here, and then my hand is over there, putting the mayonnaise. Right, Mom? It's just really nice. You wish you have a long hand? I have a power. Tomorrow when she get up, her hand will be flexible.
What?
It would be nice if you could have this, your hand like this, but that it would stretch.
Yeah, I told you, it's a
Stretch
stretch.
it.
Yeah, you put it back to the normal, and then
Yeah.
you can have power to stretch your hand. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Not just like you have a long hand, and then when you're walking to the door, you have to fold your hand because you're
You don't know where to put it.
yeah. And then I can catch my fart and throw it somewhere's face, somebody's face. That's and then the cat, they don't know who put the smell into their face because they cannot see me. I just stretch my hand over there and put it back. It's
You
fun.
have it all planned.
Yeah, it's planned already, I'm telling you. Watch out, tomorrow you have a stretchable hand.
Yeah. I better watch out.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I'm not bringing you to the house. So we'll see you tomorrow here early, okay? Guys, I know how to make her laugh.
Hey, you dance.
She's ticklish, guys. I don't even touch her armpit. I just like kind of like
You attack.
Look, I get a reaction. I like it. See you tomorrow.
I see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Behave, okay? Don't go running. Bye-bye. Home, guys. Nakalimutan ko palang i-charge. Oh my God, ang init. Nakalimutan, guys. Nakalimutan ko. Okay. Ano pa ba? Yan lang. Si Roxy at least. Ano? Hindi ko nadala si BIYENAN. Hindi nadala. Hello. Hello, let's go, let's go. Hi, Misty. Hi, Mitch. Hello, Misty. Are. Okay, let's go inside. Hi, B-boy. Hello. I left over there before 4. It's like 4. What time now? Almost 5. You know why? Traffic. It's really... No, it's not just the traffic. The black... You know that all line of the road is all like lights? They block it so long. We reroute. So I don't know where to reroute. So I reroute that, you know, when you're like curving and then you kind of merge to go to that quick curve.
Don't make me crazy.
Miss this noise? Bark.
Oh, please. You're killing my headache. Well, both of these two clowns.
Miss this please. Make it. No. Luluto ako ng pork ribs. And linis na yan, malinis na. And then ito yung sauce ko, guys. Pinabayaan ko lang si Tami, guys. Pinabayaan ko lang siyang matulog. Sabi ko sa kanya, wala ka nang tinapon na gamit. Puro na lang dinala mo, sabi pa niya, ya. Dalhin mo talaga lahat, sabi pa niya, ya. Palagi na lang yan, nagagalit ako. Marami siya. Ito na, guys, nilagyan ko na siya ng soy sa ibabaw, yung seasoning na minix ko. And dagdagan na lang natin siya ng yung mga hindi nyo nakita pala, yung mga ganito. Lagyan na lang natin sila ng Ilagay ko siya dito. And then, i-dip ko yung pork dyan. And dagdagan natin ng seasoning. Yun, pinalangoy ko na yan dito sa sauce. And yan. Si Roxy andun, oh. Naghanap ako, akala ko nakalabas. Andun pala doon siya, hindi ko makita dahil sa dahon. Ano ngayon guys, sobrang yung temperature ngayon ba humid. Mainit na, sobrang dry yung hangin as in. Yung isa tulog na tulog, iwan ko. Iwan ko na lang si Batman. Parang hindi pa rin nawawala. Nag-dry na yung iba. Pero may kumakalat, tignan nyo. May scar ako talaga palagi. Ay, hindi ito scar yung isa. Dumi pala yung itim. Alam nyo guys, nag-barbecue ako, diba? So ngayon, after barbecuing, hindi ko siya matiis. Ang ganda niya. As in, sobrang ganda. As in, maganda yung ano. Pero, alam nyo yung naisip ko? Ang gagawin ko is gawin siyang barbecue adobo. Barbecue adobo. Nilagay ko siya dito. And lagyan natin ng maraming pepper para malasa siya kasi na-barbecue na siya. And then, adobohin natin para maging tender at maging juicy and maging masarap pa more. At saka lagyan natin ng maraming pepper. Lagyan natin kaunti para may toyo. And then, lagyan natin ng kunting tubig. Tubig, okay? Kunting tubig. Lagyan natin ng another lime. Diba kanina nilagyan natin lime? Lagyan ulit. Pero masarap kasi siya guys, as in. Masarap. Mag-try kayo ng ribs. I-barbecue nyo. Tignan natin guys kung anong lasa nito mamaya. Hey. Come here. Put that down. I'll show you something. Don't over here because there's food. I barbecue it, look. And then I decided to, it's nice barbecue, right? I decided to like cook it like adobo kind of thing. Barbecue adobo.
Until they're out there.
Okay, we're just gonna eat na soon, okay? I'm Hubs, little man. Ilabas mo yan lahat yung nararamdaman mo kasi gusto niyang umiyak, parang ganun, parang nahirapan siyang huminga. And nag-alala ako kasi yun, maraming tumatawag ngayon sa kanya, mga cousins niya na mga andun sa California.
Rockabye, baby, rockabye. Rockabye, rockabye.